In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all checkboxes in Google Sheets. If you're tired of clicking checkboxes one by one, or you want to clear a checklist in seconds, you're in the right place. I'll show you the two fastest ways to reset your sheet. First, how to uncheck every box at once, and second, how to remove the boxes entirely. And if those boxes keep coming back, I'll show you how to turn them off for good so your cells go back to normal. Let's start with the quickest reset. Select the cells that contain your checkboxes. You can click and drag across your list, or click the first cell, and then shift-click the last one to highlight the whole range. Once they're all selected, press the spacebar. That's it. Spacebar toggles every selected checkbox at the same time, instantly switching them all on or all off. If you pressed it and everything became checked, just press spacebar again to flip them all back to unchecked. This is perfect for daily to-do lists or recurring tasks where you want a clean slate without rebuilding anything. Now, if you don't want checkboxes in those cells anymore, highlight the same range and press delete. This removes the checkboxes and leaves the cells ready for regular text or numbers. It's a fast way to clear the interface if you've finished using a checklist or you're converting a task list into notes. Your basic cell formatting, like background color or borders, can stay in place, so your layout doesn't fall apart while you clear out the boxes. Sometimes, though, you'll notice that the boxes seem to reappear, or clicking back into a cell shows a new checkbox. That's because a checkbox is a type of data validation rule. To remove it completely, select the cells, go to the data menu at the top, choose Data Validation, and click Remove Validation. This wipes the checkbox rule from those cells so they return to being normal. Empty cells that won't spawn a checkbox again. It's the definitive way to stop checkboxes from coming back when you type or paste new content. So to recap, use spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once, press delete to remove them and keep your layout ready for text, and if they keep returning, head to Data, then Data Validation, and choose Remove Validation to restore plain cells. Clean sheet, clear mind. Follow for more Google Sheets basics.